I'm going to show you how to update your profile. So first you'll want to log in using your email. And then once you've logged in, if you go over here to where it says hi and your name, then you just click on this menu and you go to profile. And then you'll have a series of tabs here. And so it'll have some initial information from when you created the account. But then you can either click on this edit profile button or just follow the tabs. Go to edit profile. We can update our name, our email. We can add a phone number if we want. You can change whether you want to receive marketing emails or not. And you can add a title. I will just say my title is demo. You can add a company if you want. And then you can add your address, city, country. Go ahead and put in here United States, because that's where I'm at. And then once you've chosen a country, it should give you the options of a state or a province or what is relevant for that country. You can enter your city and then your postal code. And then down here under the privacy settings, it will not show your address to your fellow studio members or your email unless you check these boxes. So it'll give you this warning that, hey, you're about to make your private information available. So you check this. And one of the features we'll have here is a contact page. So if you want to be included on that contact page, and that means people who are part of your own studio, the studios that you're a member of, and the other people that are members of that studio can see your contact information. It won't ever be publicly available. And then also, you can do the same thing with the phone number. So if you want to make all your contact information available to all the people who belong to the same studio that you do, then you want to check those off. And then you just click the Save Changes, and that will save those changes. Oh, please complete all address fields. That's right. So I did some of the address fields. So it won't let you do just some of the address fields. You have to do, make sure it's an actual valid address. So I'll go 123 or 1213 everywhere. And then I'll use my city of Los Angeles, and I'll actually use my postal code 91326. And now hopefully that will work. There we go, updated. And now we have all of that information. So now if we go to our bio and our media, we can add a profile picture. So you just click here, and then I'll navigate to an image. And so I've got this picture here of Gene Kelly that I'll use for my avatar. Normally you would want to use a real photo of yourself, but just for demo purposes, I'll put that there. And then you can put a bio. This is everything you would want to know about me as a member of this studio. Of course, you have 1,000 characters, so you want to put your bio. If you have a personal website, you can put that here. So I will put in tools.dance. And then you can also add your social media if you so like, and then save the changes. And then you can also go here if you need to change your password for any reason. This is where you would do that. And then under settings, there's some additional account preferences, like you can set your time zone. Again, here's another place where you can turn on or off the marketing emails, and then another place where you can set those same privacy settings that we covered earlier. And then you can also say, hey, I would prefer dark mode if you want dark mode instead of light mode. And then the information on our terms of service and our privacy. And also, if you're a little curious about the different changes that are going on the tool from day to day, you can look at our change log. And then that is it. So if we now come back to our profile and we view the profile, we should have all this information they're included. And then it'll also be part of the members uh, page for a particular studio that you are a member of.